Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops on your Steam Deck. The most reliable way to enjoy this classic title is by installing Windows directly onto your device. This method bypasses many compatibility issues and ensures that the game's anti-cheat systems function correctly. It's a straightforward process that opens up a wider library of games for your portable console. Once Windows is installed, you'll need to download and install Steam. Log into your account and then download Call of Duty Black Ops. Ensure all your Steam Deck drivers are properly installed for optimal performance, including graphics and audio. This setup allows the game to run as it would on a standard Windows PC, giving you the best experience. To get the best performance, head into the game's graphics settings. Start with a medium preset and adjust individual options like shadows and anti-aliasing to find your sweet spot. You might also consider setting a custom resolution, such as 1280 by 800, to balance visual quality with frame rate. Experiment with these settings to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience on your portable device. If you run into any issues, a good first step is to verify the integrity of your game files through Steam. This can often resolve unexpected crashes or performance problems. Also, regularly check for updates to your Windows operating system and Steam Deck drivers to maintain optimal compatibility and stability. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.